Well, it's a joy, you know what I mean? It's unbelievable, it's incredible, you know what I mean? It's super, you know what I mean? And, you know, I really admire her. She blessed vocal, you know, she been there, you know what I mean? She been on the road to Jamaica, she been there with Shaggy, you know, so I say congratulations to all of them, you know, our coach and our, you know, our team, Tessanne and family and everyone. It's a joy, it's a blessing, you know? She represents us, you know, in our way there. So unbelievable, people cannot believe it. It's a joy. She wanted to do it, you know what I mean? So, you know, which I bless no one cares, you know what I mean? And we know enough people say Tessanne now to show on the voice, but you didn't know that she could sing before, and she had a great talent and she had a great vocal, and you know what I mean? And she had do her thing, and she have a new, and she even have an album came out. You know what I mean? So what you did, but it's all good. Love and blessing. This is the beginning of our journey. You know, greater things is ahead, you know what I mean? We know she prepared, so it's all the best, more love again and more blessing, more prosperity, more glory and more joy to the family. Everyone out there survive my down. Would you invite them for a plane to meet in your home? And if they come to your bank, would you give them a loan? See them catching at the straw, like them out with down. Then would you give them a smile or would you give them a frown? Or would you just stand there and watch them going down? Would you do something for them to let the table turn around? My target from the heart of me profound. Well, rebels say, got to do something before it's too late. Got to do something and do something great. Get your act together and step up to the plate and yell Rastafari straight again. Got to do something before it's too late. Got to do something and do something great. Get your act together and step up to the plate and defend the human race. Make me tell you this. Should I know say Rastafari indigenous? Send the youths a college education of saving up. Tell the farmer man, no giving up. Go until the site, go and plant, keep digging up. Instill the morals, keep the youths them living up. Can't employ if you not develop. People say them need more money in them envelope. No care if them are